Welcome to the channel. When it comes to survival, preparation is key. Fortunately, everything you need can be broken down into 10 primary categories. Let's get started. Food is at the top of our survival list. In times of crisis, having a well-stocked pantry can make all the difference. Stockpile canned goods, dried foods, rice, and beans. These items have a long shelf life and can provide essential nutrients when fresh food is scarce. Variety is key to avoid boredom and maintain morale. Eating the same thing every day can be demoralizing, especially in a stressful situation. Aim for at least 2,000 calories per day. This ensures you have enough energy to handle the physical and mental challenges that come with a crisis. Familiarize yourself with edible plants in your area. Knowing what you can safely eat in the wild can be a lifesaver if your supplies run low. Remember, food is fuel, and fuel keeps you going. Stock up, diversify, and rotate your supplies to ensure nothing goes to waste. Learn to use what nature provides. Foraging can supplement your food stores and add variety to your diet. Practice cooking with foraged ingredients to become comfortable with them before a crisis hits. In addition to foraging, practice preparing meals with your stockpiled foods. This will help you understand how to make the most of your supplies and ensure your family enjoys nutritious and satisfying meals. Consider learning food preservation techniques such as canning, drying, and fermenting. These methods can extend the shelf life of fresh produce and provide additional food options during a crisis. Community gardens can also be a valuable resource. Working together with neighbors to grow food can strengthen community bonds and provide a steady supply of fresh produce. Don't forget about other sources of food like fishing and hunting. These skills can provide a sustainable source of protein and help you become more self-sufficient. Finally, create a food storage plan. Keep an inventory of what you have and regularly check expiration dates. This will help you stay organized and ensure you always have enough food on hand. In a crisis, food is more than just sustenance. It brings comfort, maintains morale, and provides a sense of normalcy. By preparing now, you can ensure your family stays nourished and resilient, no matter what challenges come your way. We can survive weeks without food, but only days without water. Water is essential for every function in our bodies, from regulating temperature to aiding digestion. Without it, our bodies quickly begin to shut down. In extreme conditions, dehydration can set in within hours. The human body is composed of about 60% water, and every cell, tissue, and organ needs it to function properly. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. This ensures you have enough for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. In an emergency, having a reliable water supply can make all the difference. Use airtight containers and rotate stock regularly. Label your containers with the date of storage and replace them every 6 months to ensure freshness. Proper storage can prevent contamination and keep your water supply safe. Purify additional water with boiling, filters, or tablets. Boiling is the most effective method to kill bacteria and viruses. Portable filters can remove impurities, and purification tablets are a convenient option for on-the-go needs. Alternative sources like your water heater can be lifesavers. In an emergency, the water stored in your heater can provide a significant amount of clean water. Other sources include ice cubes, canned goods, and even the water in your toilet tank, not the bowl. Water is life. Never take it for granted. Appreciate every drop and use it wisely. Conserving water not only helps in emergencies, but also ensures that this precious resource is available for future generations. Remember, every drop counts. Imagine the power grid goes down. Fuel becomes a lifeline for cooking, heating, and powering vehicles. Stockpile gasoline, propane, and butane safely. Store fuel in well-ventilated areas, away from ignition sources. Fuel equals independence in a crisis. Be ready to keep the lights on when the world goes dark. Batteries are critical when the grid goes down. Stockpile a variety of sizes, including AA, AAA, and D. Invest in rechargeable batteries and a solar charger. Batteries maintain a sense of normalcy in chaos. Stay informed, connected, and safe with battery-powered devices. Stock up and consider rechargeable options. Accidents happen, and medical care may be limited. In those critical moments, having the right medical items on hand can make all the difference. Whether it's a minor cut or a more serious injury, being prepared is your first line of defense. Build a comprehensive kit beyond Band-Aids and antiseptic wipes. Think about the various scenarios you might encounter. Include items like gauze pads, adhesive tape, scissors, tweezers, and a digital thermometer. Don't forget to add instant cold packs, elastic bandages, and a variety of bandages in different sizes. Include over-the-counter medications and prescription supplies. Pain relievers, antihistamines, and anti-inflammatory drugs are essential. If you or a family member have specific medical conditions, ensure you have an adequate supply of prescription medications. Consult with your pharmacist to understand the best way to store these medications and any potential interactions. Invest in a first aid manual and take a CPR course. Knowledge is power, and knowing how to respond in an emergency can save lives. A first aid manual provides step-by-step instructions for a variety of medical situations. CPR training equips you with the skills to act quickly and effectively during cardiac emergencies. Your medical kit is an insurance policy against the unexpected. Keep it well stocked and regularly check expiration dates on medications and supplies. Store it in an easily accessible location and make sure all family members know where it is and how to use it. Be prepared for the inevitable bumps and bruises. From minor scrapes to more serious injuries, having a well-prepared medical kit ensures you can handle the situation calmly and effectively. Remember, preparation is key to managing emergencies and ensuring the safety and well-being of your loved ones. Hygiene is essential for preventing disease and maintaining morale. Stock up on soap, shampoo, hand sanitizer, and wet wipes. Include sunscreen, insect repellent, and feminine hygiene products. Appropriate clothing for all weather is vital. Pack a microfiber towel for washing up. Maintaining hygiene is about staying healthy and normal. In a crisis, self-defense becomes paramount. Awareness is your first line of defense. Choose defense tools you're comfortable using. Invest in proper training and practice regularly. Store weapons securely, especially with children around. Self-defense is about being prepared for the unexpected. Sanitation is crucial in a survival situation. Stockpile bleach, all-purpose cleaner, and dish soap. Proper waste disposal with trash bags is essential. Use white vinegar as a natural disinfectant. Maintain a clean environment to prevent disease. Create a safe and comfortable space for survival. Stock up on toilet paper, paper towels, and facial tissues. Paper plates and cups reduce the need for washing dishes. Disposable diapers can be used for various purposes. Improvisation is key in a survival situation. Paper products maintain hygiene and sanitation. Stock up and be creative with your supplies. Be your own handyman in a crisis. Stock up on a good set of tools and materials. Include duct tape, rope, tarps, nails, and screws. Learn basic repair skills for carpentry, plumbing, and electrical work. Maintain your shelter and essential equipment. Be resourceful, adaptable, and prepared for challenges. There you have it, the 10 essential categories for preppers. Your specific needs will vary, so adapt accordingly. Thank you for stopping by. Stay prepared and stay safe.